And more legal responses now coming in. Rhea Chakrabarti's lawyer Satish Manishinde has responded to the statement by Vikas Singh, the lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput's family. And I quote here, the statement by Satish Manishinde reads, CBI will investigate if the doctor is criminally culpable or otherwise. There is no negligence alleged, but criminal culpability of forging a prescription. The drugs administered are prohibited psychotropic substances as contained in the NDPS Act, which are not the subject matter of the CBI, the case that is already pending investigation. The Bandra FIR has been transferred to CBI as per the order of the Supreme Court. Let's go across to Divyesh on that. Divyesh, so a defiant lawyer of Rhea Chakrabarti earlier here decides to file this FIR saying, what about a medical bogus prescription which was used to administer medicines to him, which may have led to his suicide? Then Vikas Singh responds. Now Rhea's lawyer also reacts, saying this is not about the CBI. This is about criminal culpability or otherwise.
Yes, Pooja, the statement just issued by Satish Manishinde, who's representing Rhea Chakrabarti, says that the illegal and fabricated prescription and administering scheduled drugs without following the law. This fact has come to light now. The bogus prescription was received within the jurisdiction of Bandra police station, hence the FIR was registered. CBI will investigate if the doctor was criminally culpable or otherwise. There's no negligence alleged, but criminal culpability of forging a prescription. The drugs administered are prohibited psychotropic substances as contained in the NDPS Act, which are not the subject of matter of the CBI case already pending investigations. The Bandra FIR has been transferred to CBI as per order of the Supreme Court. So now it's a full, Rhea Chakrabarti is now on an offensive with this particular FIR, with this fresh complaint of hers registered against Priyanka Singh and the doctor from Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. This could be the first such offensive that Rhea Chakrabarti has launched on Priyanka Singh, sister of Sushant Singh Rajput. Till date, she was at the receiving end. She'd been, multiple cases have been filed, multiple agencies are probing her for embezzlement of funds, abetment to suicide, theft and various other charges. And also the NCB is probing her for drug consumption, harboring, facilitation of narcotic drugs.
So clearly what we can see here that today Divyesh, while she arrived with a packed bags, perhaps expecting an imminent arrest, she's also staying very confident via her lawyer. She's also filing complaints against the family of the late actor. So this is full-blown war that's taking place and getting uglier as well. Thank you so much for now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.